a great choice today with the 2017 Ford Flex. Flex isn't just exciting to look at, it's exciting to drive. It hunkers down, puts a limit on lean. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, keyless entry, power passenger seat, remote engine start, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, dual airbags, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, adjustable steering wheel, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless start. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.